Basic Wood Wall Decoration Carving Techniques Tutorial. Welcome. In this video, we'll explore basic wood wall decoration carving techniques. Perfect for beginners, these methods will help you create stunning wall art. Segment 1. Tools and Materials, Carving Knives, Chisels, Wood Types. Let's start with the essentials. You will need carving knife, ideal for detailed work, chisels, for larger cuts and shaping, mallet, to drive chisels, wood, softwoods like basswood or pine are recommended for easy carving. Segment 2. Safety tips, safety gear, gloves, goggles, and a clean workspace. Safety first. Always wear gloves and goggles to protect yourself from slips and shavings. Keep your workspace organized to avoid accidents. Segment 3. Basic Carving Techniques. Now, let's dive into some basic carving techniques. 1. Whittling. Start with whittling. Hold your knife at a slight angle and make controlled cuts to shape the wood. Begin with simple forms, like a heart or leaf. 2. Relief carving. Next is relief carving. This technique creates a design that stands out. Use a chisel to carefully remove wood around your design, working from the outside in hand. 3. Chip carving. Chip carving is about creating decorative patterns. Use your knife to make small, precise cuts, removing chips to form intricate designs. Segment 4. Finishing techniques. Once your carving is complete, sand the surface to smooth it out. Apply a wood finish or sealant to protect your work and enhance the grain. Conclusion. And there you have it. Basic wood wall decoration carving techniques to get you started. Remember, practice is key, so enjoy the process. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Share your wood carving projects in the comments below. Happy carving!